Okay, next we have a very basic problem that we're supposed to convert from, let's see, factored form into general form. So for this we're going to FOIL. X times x is x squared. Outside, negative 4x. Inside, positive 2x. And last, 2 times negative 4, negative 8. Check out the insides. X squared, negative 4x, and positive 2x combined to negative 2x minus 8. Alright, so I converted from what's called factored form into general form. They want me to write everything that I know about this parabola now by looking at the equations. Let's start with factored form. That tells me the roots, or the zeros, or the x-intercepts. They're going to be negative 2, 0, and 4, 0. That leads me right to the line of symmetry. We've talked throughout class about the line of symmetry being the average of the two roots. 4 plus negative 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the line of symmetry would be at x equals 1. To find the vertex, you can use the line of symmetry, which is 1, comma, plug it into the equation. You can either plug it into the general form, or you could plug it into factored form to find the y value that goes with it. Let's do the factored form. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. So that's the vertex of the parabola, 1, negative 9. We have 3 of the 5 parts. We're also looking for the y-intercept, which is 0, comma, a, b, see it right there, negative 8. And finally, the mirror point, and the mirror point is sort of a byproduct of all the things that we have here. To find the mirror point, double the line of symmetry, 2, steal the y-intercept, negative 8. When you look at the graph, you should see all of the parts of the parabola that we have here. While we're at it, let's use this opportunity to complete the square to find the vertex form of the parabola, just to make sure everything is sort of in sync and that everything and that you can complete the square. To complete the square, you take x squared minus 2x general form, and we're going to add a mystery number, subtract a mystery number, and move the minus 8 over. Sorry about that, I ran out of room a little bit. So we're going to add and subtract some mystery number. To figure out that mystery number, we take half of the middle term, 2. I don't care that it's negative right now. We're going to take half of 2, which is 1, and square it. So we're going to add and subtract 1. 1 will complete the square. So we split the equation up into its perfect square trinomial part, there, minus the leftovers, minus 1 and minus 8. Now we're going to go ahead and make it look like vertex form by having a parentheses, squared, minus, let's clean up the leftovers right now. Negative 1 and negative 8 make negative 9. To finish this and put it in vertex form, now we pay attention to the fact that the 2 was negative. If it's negative in the equation, it's negative in vertex form. And the number that was in the middle here, when we took half of 2, we got 1. That's the number that goes there in the vertex form. And you can see that in the vertex form we would have right 1, negative 9. That should be the vertex. Check it out. That's what we got before, 1, negative 9. That concludes 4A, and I'm actually going to stop there on the review of section 7.1 to 7.2, the checkup. If you're still confused on any of the problems on the back here, go ahead and give them your best shot, and just ask me to fill you in on Monday before the quiz, and we can go over some of these. Okay? Have a good weekend.